Be ready. Start. A conjoint reading of the aforesaid two classes leaves no room of doubt that the administrative committee of the Gram Panchayat has been entrusted with the task preparing the merit of the candidates applying for appointment as Gram Rojgar Sevak to be appointed on contractual basis. Stop. The select list has to be prepared on the basis of the marks obtained by the candidates in the descending order. Stop. The candidate obtaining highest marks has to be offered appointment for engagement from the list of the selected candidates, and the name of the selected candidate has to be forwarded seeking approval for the same from the Gram Panchayat. Stop. In the event the candidate obtaining highest marks shows his or her unwillingness to join the post, then the next candidate has to be offered appointment. Stanza. In the instant case, this procedure of obtaining the approval of Gram Panchayat and joining of the selected candidate K.M. Julie took almost 2 years. Stop. K.M. Julie, the selected candidate at serial number 1, was admittedly employed in a madrasa institution from where she was also being paid an honorarium. Stop. Accordingly, she showed her unwillingness to join and ultimately dispatched a letter informing the Gram Panchayat to the said effect. Stop. Learned counsel for the appellant submits that this unwillingness and refusal to join the post was a clear inability of the candidate at serial number 1 for engagement due to her engagement in some other employment. Stop. Thus, this unwillingness cannot be termed to be an ineligibility of the candidate, and in such circumstances no fresh selections were required to be held, and the offer had to be made to the appellant who was at serial number 2 of the select list. Stop. For this, Shri Verma has submitted that if it was a case of ineligibility, then the option of class 6 was open for holding the selection, but in the instant case there was no ineligibility of the candidate, and rather it was her unwillingness to join the post which resulted in the vacancy, and as such the placement of the appellant serial number 2 could not have been ignored. Stanza. The aforesaid argument of Shri Verma appears to be correct in as much as a conjoint reading of classes 5 and 6 clearly establishes that it is in the event of unwillingness of the selected candidate that offer is to be made to the second in the list. Stop. It is only where the candidate is ineligible when no option is left for either offering employment to any other candidate, and the only option is left to hold a fresh selection. Stop. In the instant case, K.M. Julie, who was at serial number 1, did not accept the offer on account of her engagement elsewhere. Stop. This did not amount to any ineligibility on her part. Stop. Consequently, the offer could have been made to the appellant who was at the second place. Stop. However, what happened in the case, this took a span of almost 2 years, and even thereafter the writ petition was ultimately decided in November 2016, which was almost 6 years of the date of selection in the year 2010. Full stop. Over.